Here are some major world news headlines as of today. Globe showing Europe-Africa global headlines, April 30, 2026. Geopolitical tensions rise in Eastern Europe. Ongoing military and political developments are increasing concerns among global leaders, with fresh sanctions and diplomatic talks underway. Middle East situation remains volatile. Ceasefire discussions continue, but sporadic clashes and humanitarian concerns are still dominating the region. Global economy shows mixed signals. Markets react to inflation trends and interest rate decisions by major central banks, including the Federal Reserve and European Central Bank. Climate change warnings intensify. New reports from the United Nations highlight rising global temperatures and extreme weather patterns affecting multiple continents. Tech industry sees major AI expansion. Companies like Google and Microsoft are unveiling new artificial intelligence tools, increasing competition in the sector. China's economy rebounds slightly. Latest data suggests moderate growth, offering some relief to global supply chains. Space exploration milestone. NASA announces progress on upcoming lunar missions under its Artemis program.